Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming compatibility. Your iPhone must run a recent iOS, and the car must support Apple CarPlay. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then unlock the phone so pairing prompts appear. If you use a wired connection, plug a certified Lightning cable into the car's USB port. If wireless, put the car into Bluetooth pairing mode. Doing this now avoids connection loops. Once done, you'll trigger the phone and head unit to exchange the CarPlay handshake and begin the pairing flow. Once your phone and head unit see each other, select Apple CarPlay from the Cars menu to start the session. Make sure you tap the phone prompts to allow CarPlay while locked and to trust the vehicle. If using wireless CarPlay, go to Settings General CarPlay on your iPhone to confirm the car appears and assign it if needed. These steps finalize permissions and ensure Siri, audio, and navigation data flow. Make sure to allow notifications if you want messages announced. Otherwise, silence interruptions. You finish by customizing the CarPlay home screen in settings so your most used apps appear where you expect them. Then test core features. Ask Siri for directions, play music, and make a call to confirm audio routing and mic behavior. If anything fails, restart the iPhone and head unit first, then swap the cable for wired setups. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone or remove and re-add the car in CarPlay settings. This clears pairing states and usually resolves lingering handoff or permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.